People ask me all the time, TJ, it seems like you hate teleprompters. What's your problem with teleprompters? I don't hate teleprompters. I think teleprompters can be great. I use teleprompters from time to time. What bothers me, though, is that so many people misuse teleprompters. They think, oh, now it's going to be easy. I don't have to practice. I don't have to rehearse. I can just read this stuff. And they end up with, hello, my name is, and today, and they look like robots. They look scared, nervous, uncomfortable, and no one can pay attention to what they're saying because it's so awful and cringeworthy of how they're trying to talk and trying to read. So my problem with teleprompters is that people abuse them, and they think it's about them helping the speaker or the presenter come across more effectively, easily, and having to do less work. It's not for the speaker, it's for the audience. You want to use the teleprompter so you can come across as genuine to them. So if you're making your own videos from your home studio or office and you're doing this to get every word just right, stop it. Actually look at your own stuff. You'll be appalled at how it is. If you're giving a speech at a political convention and there are TV reporters around capturing it, you got to look, how is it going to come across to voters at home? You're not going to come across as a genuine, confident person unless you really take the time to rehearse. People want to use it as a shortcut. It's actually a long cut. It takes more time to be good at it if you practice the way you should with a teleprompter. There's a whole section on teleprompter in the course. I'm not going to go through it here, but that's the big picture.